it's not only its sedans, SUVs, crossovers, and vans that get upgrades. Toyota also upgrades its apps. Toyota Motor Philippines has upgraded the myTOYOTA mobile app, more features and functions to make owning a Toyota even more fun, safe, and convenient. Available for download on Android and iOS devices, the myTOYOTA app now provides a unified platform to enable convenient access to all information and services they need, from car buying to after-sales and maintenance. The upgrades and updates let existing and would-be Toyota owners enjoy the full cycle of the Toyota life, from product and service inquiries to car maintenance and upgrades, after-sales deals and assistance, and vehicle trade-ins. According to TMP First Vice President Sherwin Chua Lim, Toyota is committed to providing ever better products and services and to improving the customer experience, from inquiring about your dream Toyota, acquiring and taking care of your vehicle, and moving on to your next Toyota, through any of the 71 Toyota dealerships nationwide or through its amplified digital touchpoints. With the new myTOYOTA app, life at Toyota is made easy, worry-free, and happier in a tap, he added.